Many of you know the rectangular rapid flashing beacon and its application here in Florida. So that's what makes one of the spectacular 7 institutionalized in Florida is the rectangular rapid flashing beacon. Started in St. Pete. So what Florida and FDOT requires, obviously you all know that you would have to send in a request as an interim approval to use the rectangular rapid flashing beacon. It is not in the MUTCD as of today. Hopefully, in the new MUTCD, they would actually have it as an option, but still it is under interim approval status as we speak. And you all know about the old. Not sure if all of you know, but the interim approval, the old one and the new one. Anyway, let's move forward. Yeah. Okay, so these are also on our e-traffic website, so you can actually filter it through the layer specifically for interim approval 21 and 11, the older one. Guidelines in the TEM and the chart can be used to identify where to use an RRFB and also give you some guidance as far as the placement and so forth. As mentioned before, the interim approval process allows the uses of pedestrian actuated and enhances the conspicuity with the strobing of the lights or the sequencing shall be used only to supplement post-mounted pedestrian school trail crossings or warning signs. If deemed necessary by the engineer in the event of a sight distance issue, an RRFB may be installed in advance of crosswalk, and you can also remember you double post mount these on the approach. This is an example of a double post mounting. So the interim approval 21 also allows for the ADA and speech activation based on push button or the need for that, and we do have devices on the APL that are available for that purpose, and also that studies show that the RRFB all of these years now have an increase of 20% to 80% of yielding behavior, and we also are seeing that improve over time somewhat and be consistent to that yielding behavior.